Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to fix the Roblox website if it's not loading properly on your browser. To get started, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser and open Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time and make sure both browsing history and cookies and other site data are checked before deleting the data. Once that's done, check if Roblox loads correctly. If the issue continues, type roblox.com into the address bar, click the icon next to the URL, and open Site Settings. Scroll down to Permissions, reset them, and reload the page. After that, return to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Security, and ensure Standard Protection is enabled. Also turn on Use Secure DNS and select Google Public DNS. If Roblox is still blocked in your region or network, you can try installing a free VPN extension from the Chrome Web Store, add it to your browser, turn it on, and then refresh the Roblox website. That's basically all you need to do to fix the Roblox website not loading issue. Hopefully one of these methods helped you get back into the game without any problems. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.